On June 12, 1975, the Allahabad High Court found then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi guilty of election rigging and misuse of government machinery to win the election and cancelled her election victory. Additionally, the court ruled that she could not contest any election for the next 6 years. Indira appealed this decision to the Supreme Court but did not receive any significant relief there either. Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, while hearing her plea, stated that the High Court's decision would not be fully stayed, but Indira could remain Prime Minister. Following the court's decision, the opposition demanded Indira Gandhi's resignation. On June 25, 1975, opposition leaders organized a rally at Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan. Addressing the rally, Jai Prakash Narayan recited a part of a poem by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar and gave the slogan, "Singhasan khali karo ki janta aati hai." Immediately after this rally, Indira went to the President's house and imposed emergency in the country from June 25, 1975. Following this, many opposition leaders, including J.P. Narayan, were imprisoned. Not only this, press freedom was also curtailed. The dark period of emergency ended after 21 months on March 21, 1977. In the elections held after the emergency, Indira lost, leading to the formation of a non-Congress government. Morarji Desai from the Janata Party became the Prime Minister of India. On June 12, 1990, the Indian National Satellite was launched. It was launched from Cape Canaveral, United States by a Delta 4925 rocket. This satellite was built by Ford Aerospace. The purpose of this satellite was cloud observation, in which it was quite successful. It sent round-the-clock pictures of clouds. This successful launch was significant for India as the country was establishing its national computer network at that time. However, this satellite was supposed to be launched on June 29, 1989, but two consecutive incidents caused a delay in its launch.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On June 12, 1897, a severe earthquake struck Assam in British India. It killed 1,542 people and injured many others. There was also significant property damage, with dozens of buildings badly damaged or partially collapsed. The tremors of this earthquake were felt in Ahmedabad and Peshawar too. During this earthquake in Assam, the northern edge of Shillong Plateau rose by at least 11 meters. Its impact was felt over a larger area than the Lisbon earthquake of 1755. On June 12, 1964, Nelson Mandela was sentenced to life imprisonment in South Africa. Arrested in August 1962, Mandela was charged with illegally plotting to overthrow the government. As a result, Mandela spent 27 years in prison. His imprisonment brought him worldwide fame, and Mandela became the most prominent leader against apartheid across Africa. He was released in 1990 and became the President of South Africa in 1994. Believing in non-violence, Mandela is also referred to as the Gandhi of Africa. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. He passed away on December 5, 2013. Anne Frank was born on June 12, 1929 in Germany into a Jewish family. During World War II, Anne Frank wrote a diary which was later turned into a book by her father. This diary narrated the story of the atrocities faced by Jews during the World War. This book has been translated into more than 70 languages and is titled The Diary of a Young Girl. It is the best-selling book on the Holocaust. When Anne was 4 years old, Hitler came to power. He rose to power by spreading hatred against Jews. In 1934, Anne's family moved to the Netherlands and spent most of her life in Amsterdam, Netherlands. When Anne turned 15, she and her family were captured by Nazi soldiers and sent to a concentration camp. After spending some time there, Anne and her sister died due to an illness. Her mother died of starvation. Only her father, Otto Frank, survived until the end of World War II and returned to Amsterdam. Otto published Anne's diary on June 25, 1947. It was published in English in 1952 under the title The Diary of a Young Girl. Over 30 million copies of this diary have been sold till now. Several films and dramas have also been made based on this diary. June 12 is observed as World Day Against Child Labour globally. This day was initiated by the International Labour Organization to eliminate child labour. The purpose of this day is to inspire individuals, non-governmental organizations and government organizations to take strong action against child labour and to eradicate it completely. According to the United Nations, continuous efforts have been made worldwide to reduce child labour over the past 2 decades. However, conflicts, crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic have pushed many families into poverty in recent years, forcing millions of children into child labour. The theme of the World Day Against Child Labour 2024 is Let's Act Now, End Child Labour.